I keep on posting my accessories, guys, no? Not I post it in my pages, which is the BLG online shop, BLG Jewelries and Accessories. My carousel is BLG Fashion PH. That's my carousel. And then also my what else, I have in Instagram also. I keep on posted, no, konti lang yung followers doon. And then guys, this one, no, I do live selling now. I give it to a lower price, mababang price siya, guys, kasi nga I'm always in another country. So I must go. I cannot stay here. Alam nyo naman na I do buy and sell also, 'di ba? And also buying stuff, holiday, vacation, and then I keep on looking mga items sa ibang bansa where I can sell to Philippines. And then of course, since I started to travel abroad or travel another country, um my things here at home, no, is naaalikabukan. So since hindi ko na siya nagagamit, guys, no, I sell it to a lower price. Okay, so sa lower price, you can see all of the things here, from my earrings, my ring, my pendant, all I can sell it to a cheaper price. Okay, so if I buy it to 100, I will sell it to 3 for 100 pesos only. Okay, I will sell it to 50 pesos down and 3 for 100 pesos only. And with my sets of accessories, mura na po yan. And I can give you a better price if you buy one if you buy at least two or more. Okay? If you're going to buy two or more, guys, then I'm going to give you a good discount. Okay? So kasi hindi ko na siya, pag wala ako dito, guys, no, hindi ko na siya naaasikaso, sayang naman. Okay, it's better to give a lower price than masira siya or maalikabukan or mag-itim siya, no? So better kasi ang accessories, guys, no, based in my experience, you'll need to use it always. Lagi mo siyang gamitin para hindi siya masira, no? Kasi mahilig po ako talaga sa accessories before, but I changed my mind. Itong nagmamature na tayo, so bagay siya sa mga teenagers. And then of course, same age like me, but when you go partying, no, kasi there's a lot na lang talaga. Sobrang dami na, and then I have coming from another country. Maabangan nyo yun, guys, mga accessories ko, bags, perfumes, mga items ko, abangan nyo po yun. And then I'm planning to go another country, either Macau, Hong Kong, or Singapore. Abangan nyo, guys, ang travel ko. But now, let's do this. Keep on sharing my live selling to friends, and then tomorrow we're going to live again para at least hindi naman boring. So for now, I share to you my sets of accessories, and then tomorrow I'm gonna share to you how much will be the earrings. Okay? The earrings